You know I'm not one to break promises. I don't wanna hurt you, but I need to breathe. At the end of the day, you're still my best friend. But there's something inside that I need to release. Which way is right? Which way is wrong? How do I say that I need to move on? You know we headed in separate ways. Hey, and I feel like I am just too close to love you. 'Cause there is nothing that I can really say. Hey, I can lie no more, I can hide no more. Got to be true to myself, and it feels like I am just too close to love you. So I'll be on my way.